Imagine a world where thoughts become reality, where the mind holds the power to shape the universe itself. Sounds impossible? Yet, the Vedas, our most ancient scriptures, reveal that imagination is not just a tool, it is the very foundation of creation itself. Modern neuroscience tells us that imagination activates the same parts of the brain as real experiences. This means what we visualize is as real to our mind as what we actually experience. But did you know that this concept was already known in the Vedic age? In the beginning, there was nothing. Only a great thought existed before creation. That thought became the universe. The Vedas tell us that imagination is not just a human function, it is the divine force behind existence itself. Today, science agrees. Neuroscientists have proven that focused visualization can rewire the brain, heal the body, and even enhance physical abilities. Brahma, the creator, imagined the universe before shaping it. He visualized time, space, and life, then manifested it into existence. In the Mahabharata, Krishna trained Arjuna in mental mastery before battle. He taught Arjuna that the war is first won in the mind before it is won on the battlefield. This is the ancient art of Sankalpa Siddhi, where deep mental focus turns thought into reality. The great Rishis mastered Dhyana Shakti, focused imagination, to unlock Siddhi's spiritual powers. They could control their body, survive without food, and even influence the physical world. Even today, Tibetan monks use these techniques to generate body heat in freezing conditions, just by visualization. This ancient wisdom is not just for the past. You can use the power of imagination to shape your own destiny. The Vedas call this Sankalpa Shakti, where firm intention turns into reality. Studies prove that patients who imagine their body healing recover faster. Ancient yogis knew this, using pranadharana, life force visualization, to stay disease-free. Advanced yogis use imagination to unlock higher states of awareness, seeing beyond time and space. The Upanishads say, what you focus on, you become. So the question is, what are you imagining? Are you using your mind to create greatness? Or are you limiting yourself with doubt? The Vedas tell us, your imagination is the universe. Train it, master it, and shape your destiny.